kanjani ke manje? Anisi kuyoba njani? Uyawubona lo mkhonto bakwasa befikile. Yababona banjani? Yababona banjani? Yababona banjani? Uyawubona lo mkhonto bakwasa befikile. Yababona banjani? Yababona banjani?
Ngani zakwethu sanibonani uGodole okankomgodolo umpana udaba niyalwazi ngila eFreedom Park eWard 24. Ngani zakwethu ngicela siphume ngobuningi bethu ukuze sizokwazi ukuthi abantu sishintshe impilo zabantu. Indlela okwenzeka ngakhona eFreedom Park ayijabulisi. Imigwaqo yakhona etradini ugesi awukho kuningi nje okuyimesapha. Ngicela ukuthi siphumeni ngothi lwethu nangobuningi bethu sizokweseka iWard 24 la eFreedom Park na kanjani le ward sekuyeyethu angeke isaluza ngeke isageja kumani ngobuningi benu uma benibiza bethozana nizothatha ukudla sizothatha ingubo nithatha imali nihambe nikuthathe maniqeda niyovotela umkhonto wesizwe ningakiyeka ukudla kuyafuneka ukudla ngabonga kakhulu
nalo mkhonto bakwasa befikile yababona banjani yababona banjani
Gwaza Mkhonto Gwaza. Definitely we are taking this ward 24, and we've got Commander Tepiso who is really heading the team right here, and we were just doing a door-to-door today, and we had the leadership of National coming in to just knock at the doors so that we can get our people behind our councillor here to come out in numbers and votes. We're quite excited about it in terms of what he's promising our people here. It is amazing what he's put together as a pack to say, these are the things that we are going to do. He says it's going to be accessible to his people. He's not going to be a type of a councillor that actually goes around with bodyguards. We're quite excited to have a councillor candidate that is going to be accessible to our people, that is really committed himself to really giving everything that is got to ensure that people get their services in this place. So we are really going out and we are getting Ward 24 on our side as Umkhonto Wesizwe. Viva Umkhonto Wesizwe, viva!
Siyawuthatha uWard 24 siyawuthatha. Siphilele Msholozi siphilele. Councillor Tepiso ngena useva abantu babuthe umuntu emntwini.
The whole premises of today was for us to get on the ground and mobilize for the by-elections that are taking place on the 14th of May with our councillor Tepiso Molefe. We strongly believe in his leadership, and most importantly, we believe that he will be the right person to deliver the necessary service delivery for umphakathi wala. I was just to say to people, particularly young people of Umkhonto Wesizwe Party, please do come out and support, assist us in mobilizing, and most importantly, do the right thing and vote on the 14th and on the 13th of May. Gwaza Mkhonto Gwaza.
Ward 24, we're going to take Ward 24. We've got a lot of people who are supporting Umkhonto Wesizwe, who are tired with the ANC promises. And our candidate, people like and loves our candidate.
Amandla! Amandla! Gwaza Mkhonto Gwaza! Gwaza Mkhonto Gwaza! Siphilele Nqamalala siphilele! Riphilele Nqamalala riphilele! Siyayithatha iward 24 siyayithatha. Siyayithatha le ward siyayithatha. Siyithathile le ward siyithathile. Eyethu le ward eyethu. Phansi ngamasela phansi. Phansi ngababandlululi phansi. Phansi ngamasela phansi. Ngiqale ngokubonga. Ngibuye ngithi ngibulise kwi-national leadership esinayo bese baveziwe banibulisa bonke. Ngibulise kwababuya kwi-province from the Women's League, the Youth League, and also from the provincial detachment. Ngibulise kwababuya ezonini, ngibulise kwababuya kwi-region. Kakhulukazi ngibulise kumphakathi wase Ward 24 la sikhona indawo ibizwa ngeMountain View. Ngiyanibulisa nonke. Bahlali njengoba sila ngokomsebenzi esibhekene nawo ngomhla ka14. Njengoba nazi ukuthi la kule ward eWard 24 siphila ngaphansi kwezimo ezinjani. Ekubeni kukhona abantu abayiphethe le ndawo kodwa kuningi enikhala ngakho. Ahambile ama-foot soldiers ayongena emzini yabantu. Kutholakala ukuthi kunama problems that should be basic problems ekumele asolve yilaba abaphethe umbusazwe la. Kodwa siyafika ebantwini abantu ababazi. Abantu bayakhala ngabo, abantu bathi sidiniwe ngabo. So thina suumkhonto wesizwe senze i-commitment njengoba nibona la. This is a commitment which myself I have to bind myself to it. Ngoba uma ngazihlukanisa nalama commitment ala kuzosho khona ukuthi I'm not ready and I'm not fit to lead iWard 24. Bahlali sesiyesabona ukuthi kuyekhethwa abantu babuye bangahlali nathi la. Khona omunye okhuluma kakhulu obeke khona ezinsukwini ebefunda yona le manifesto yethu. Akhohle ukuthi lezo zinto lokuhlukumezeka kwenu kwenziwa yibo labo. So thina suumkhonto wesizwe siyakhomita siyanithembisa ukuthi angeke nize nibe nokhansela eningahlali naye endaweni. Ukhansela kumele uma nihlupheka ngendaba kagesi abe nani la. Ukhansela manikhala ngokuthi kungcolile endaweni abe nani alekelela ukuthi kube clean endaweni. So we are committing suumkhonto wesizwe ingakho sifake la kuma commitments wethu. Abantu abasha sibathola kakhulu siyazibonela okwenzakalayo. Ama future wabo aba destroyed ngedakamizwa lezi ezithengiswa la kule ndawo yethu. La kule section yenu nikhala kakhulu ngokuthi ama tavern akukho kulawuleka. Ama tavern awanilalisi. Ama tavern avala ngemva kwesikhathi ekumele bavale ngaso. So thina suumkhonto wesizwe we are committing to say ama bylaws azo enforcer, the councillor will be in the forefront of making sure ukuthi ama bylaws are being enforced. Ukuze kube nokuthula ekuhlaleni meningakaze nambona ukhansela ehola amaveni amaphoyisa ngaphambili kuyosho khona ukuthi asenzanga kahle. So we are committing to say I will be a councillor that is available to you. I will be accessible to you. Ngizwe kukhona umholi wethu okhulume ngeLouis Vuitton ngiyayibona. Angizukuba ukhansela onama bodyguard ongekho accessible. I must be a councillor of the people, by the people and for the people. Ngaso sonke isikhathi ningithole nginani la emphakathini nikwazi ukungi-accessa. So these are commitments bahlali to say we see there is no recreation for abantwana abancane. La kule ndawo esihlala kuyo akunama sports field. Asina kwayihholo lokuthi singabambela imihlangano enjengale. Kodwa ke kwenzekile kule minyaka edlule abanayo nemicabango yokuproposa izinto ezifanele nina. Thina suumkhonto wesizwe sithi sosebenzisana nani ukwenzela ukuthi iprocess ye-IDP ingabi secret emphakathini. ukhansela wenu makethi kumele abe accessible, we must have local offices. It can't be correct that you take 2 taxis uma ngabe uyofuna i-proof of residence. Uma ngabe uyo-apply for umsebenzi kuthiwa ama-CVs ahanjiswa e-UBC, that is 2 taxis ukuya, 2 taxis ukubuya. It cannot be correct. So we are saying we must form ama-action committees. We start from ama-block committees. From the block committees, lawo ma-committees azosebenzisana nama-ward committees akhona basebenzisane nokhansela. Indawo yethu inkulu bahlali. Indawo yethu iqala le eBarakwana iphelela eShoprite. So it means ukhansela mele ayenze sure ukuthi information it spread across the world. Sinabantu abahleli esazi ukuthi abafowethu esikhula nabo abahleli la emikhukhwini abanakwa nokunakwa, banakwa only during such a time makuzofunwa amavoti wabo. Thina umkhonto wesizwe sizobambisana nabo senze sure ukuthi kuma housing allocations na kuma housing project bazobonelelwa. Sizobe sinani sibambisene nani to make sure that these people who are deserving, abantu abasaphethe ama-C forms, they are going to get that allocation. We are not making a promise, but we are saying we are going to be with you and fight alongside with you to make sure that you get those houses that you deserve. Kunento ekuwukuthi la ekuhlaleni yasihlukumeza. Indaba yezibhamu ezikhale njalo. Kumele sibe neqiniso bahlali. Sibuye sikhumbuzana ukuthi lento yaqalwa abantu abazibiza ngabaholi. Ingakho isibhamu singathuli la ekuhlaleni, because we had leaders who were gun and trigger happy. Now nama criminals, they have seen an opportunity. That's why sihlala endaweni engaphephile. Mina ungibona nje angiqumbanga. Anginayo leyo nto angiyisebenzisi futhi akuyona into engizoyisebenzisa ukuthi ngithusa umphakathi ungangi-access. So you must know that when you go on the 14th of May to go and vote for umkhonto wesizwe, nizobe nikhetha ukhansela ozonimela, ukhansela ozoba nani ngaso sonke isikhathi. Gwaza mkhonto gwaza. Gwaza mkhonto gwaza. Siyayithathi Ward 24 siyayithatha. Siyayithathi Ward 24 siyayithatha.
Uyobona lo mkhonto bakwasa befikile. Yababona banjani. Yababona banjani. Yababona banjani. Uyobona lo mkhonto bakwasa befikile. Yababona banjani.